Bora Bora is an island group in the Leeward Islands in the South Pacific. The Leeward Islands comprise the western part of the Society Islands of French Polynesia, which is an overseas collectivity of the French Republic in the Pacific Ocean. Bora Bora has a total land area of 30.55 kilometers, 12 sq mi. The main island, located about 230 kilometers, 125 nautical miles northwest of Papeete, is surrounded by a lagoon and a barrier reef. In the center of the island are the remnants of an extinct volcano, rising to two peaks, Mount Pahia and Mount Otemanu. The highest point is at 727 meters, 2,385 feet. Bora Bora is part of the commune of Bora Bora, which also includes the atoll of Tapai. The main languages spoken in Bora Bora are Tahitia and French. However, due to the high tourist population, many natives of Bora Bora have learned to speak English. Bora Bora is a major international tourist destination, famous for its seaside and even offshore luxury resorts. Its major settlement, Vatpe, is on the western side of the main island, opposite the main channel leading into the lagoon. Produce of the island is mostly limited to what can be obtained from the sea and from the plentiful coconut trees, which were historically of economic importance for the production of copra. In ancient times, the island was called Pora Pora Mate Pora, meaning created by the gods in the local Tahitia language. This was often abbreviated as Pora Pora, meaning simply firstborn. The Tahitia language, along with the English, French, and Dutch languages, uses a unique set of phonemes, so the spelling and pronunciation of the name changes as it passes from one language to another. Since Tahitia does not distinguish between the sounds, and the sound represented by lies between the two and represents a sound not present in English similar in sound to and. English, French, or Dutch speakers can confuse the Tahitia pronunciation of Pora Pora as Bola Bola or Bora Bora. When explorer Jacob Roggeveen first landed on the island, he and his crew adopted the name Bora Bora, which has stood ever since. The island was inhabited by Polynesian settlers around the 3rd century CE. The first European sighting was made by Jacob Roggeveen in 1722. James Cook sighted the island on 29 July 1769 with the help of a Tahitia navigator, Tupaya. The London Missionary Society arrived in 1820 and founded a Protestant church in 1890. Bora Bora was an independent kingdom until 1888, when the French annexed the island as a colony and forced its last queen, Teremaivruya III, to abdicate. During World War II, the United States chose Bora Bora as a South Pacific military supply base and constructed an oil depot, an airstrip, a seaplane base, and defensive fortifications. The expedition, known as Operation Bobcat, comprised 9 ships, 18,000 to 18,000 long tons, 20,000 short tons of equipment, and nearly 7,000 soldiers. At least 8 7-inch 44 caliber guns were operated by some members of the 13th Coast Artillery Regiment, later renamed the 276th Coast Artillery Battalion. The guns were set up at strategic points around the island to protect it against a potential military attack. All 8 of these guns remain in the area to this day. However, the island saw no combat. The American presence on Bora Bora went uncontested for the entire course of the war. The base was officially closed on 2 June 1946. The World War II airstrip was never enlarged to accommodate large aircraft, but it was nonetheless French Polynesia's only international airport until 1960, when FAA International Airport opened next to Papeete, Tahiti. It is located in the so-called Society Islands, which are part of French Polynesia, and is located northwest of Tahiti, about 260 kilometers 162 mi northwest of Papeete, Tahiti. It also has around it several motus. Motu is a Tahitia word meaning small islands, which are small elongated islets that usually have some width and vegetation. One of the most beautiful and photographed motus in Polynesia is the Tapu Motu, especially before a hurricane carried away part of the tons of sand at its ends. Bora Bora is among the smaller of the islands of the Society Archipelago. The main island measures only 8 kilometers 5 mi from north to south and 5 kilometers 3 mi east to west. The total area of Bora Bora, including islet, is less than 39 kilometers 15 sq mi. Bora Bora has an area of 29.3 kilometers 11.3 sq mi on the mountainous central island, which is an extinct volcano, itself surrounded by a lagoon separated from the sea by a reef. At 727 meters 2,385 feet. Bora Bora is formed by an extinct volcano, surrounded by a lagoon and a fringing reef. Its summit is Mount Otemanu, located in the center of the atoll. Another summit, Mount Pahia, on the main island is 661 meter 2,169 feet high. The main island has 4 open bays overlooking the lagoon, Fanui Bay, Turapo Bay and Powai Bay to the west, and Hitia Bay to the northwest. Turapo Bay separates the main island from 2 islets of volcanic nature, Tupuya and Tupuyati. Necklace-shaped coral reefs surround the central island and protect it from the open sea as if it were a dike. It is a barrier reef with only one opening to the ocean, the Tivanui Passage, located west of the main island, which allows most large cargo ships and cruise ships to enter the lagoon. They must, however, stay in the channel, as much of the lagoon water is shallow outside the Tivanui Passage. The barrier reef is very wide in some sections, where it exceeds 2 kilometers in width to the southwest of the island. To the east and north of the island, the reef supports a series of islets made up of coral ruins and sand, the Motu. One such Motu in the north, the Motu New, is where the US Army built an air base during the Second World War, which has now become the airport of Bora Bora. The lagoon, abundant in fish, is remarkable for its breadth and beauty. Its color varies with depth, dark indigo when it is deep Tivanui Passage, Pufai and Fanui Bays, and pastel shades of blue and green elsewhere. Corals, when they are very close to the surface, along with the fauna that colonize them, come to wear a wide variety of colors, egg yolk, red, blue or purple. Bora Bora is part of a group of volcanic islands linked to the activity of a hazardous area. It is an extinct volcano which was active in the Upper Pliocene between 3.45 and 3.10 million years ago, and then underwent at least partial depression and strong erosion under a hot and humid tropical climate. The Bay of Turapo was the main crater of the volcano, whose collapsed southwestern edge only subsists still in the islets Tupuya and Tupuyati, which culminate respectively at 148 meters 486 feet and 17 meters 56 feet altitude. The volcanic rocks are of basaltic type, consisting mostly of alkaline basalts, some hovates and some gabbro intrusions, especially on the islet Tupuya. They come mostly from voids, with explosive episodes being rare. Bora Bora has a tropical monsoon climate. Temperatures are relatively consistent throughout the year, with hot days and warm nights. The dry season lasts from June to October, but there is some precipitation even during those months. The rainy season is between November and April, with a heavy atmosphere and sometimes violent storms resulting in heavy rains. These rains can last several days, but this does not preclude many sunny days during the wet season. The humidity level usually ranges from 75% to 90%, sometimes reaching 100%. The dry season is between April and October, with warm and fairly dry weather, but the trade winds sometimes blow strongly. The days are still sunny, but although the dry season is present, this does not prevent the occurrence of some showers or even thunderstorms in the afternoon. During the dry season, the average humidity level remains between 45 and 60%. Sometimes, this level rises spontaneously to 80%, especially at night when the ground heat remains high and exceeds a certain threshold. These dry season storms will occur in the afternoon. The island's economy is driven almost entirely by tourism. Several resorts have been built on the motu surrounding the lagoon. Hotel Bora Bora opened in 1961 and 9. Years later, the first overwater bungalows on stilts over the lagoon were built. Today, overwater bungalows are a standard feature of most Bora Bora resorts. The bungalows range from relatively inexpensive basic accommodations to luxurious and expensive ones. Most of the tourist destinations are sea-oriented, however, there are also tourist attractions on land, such as World War II cannons. Air Tahiti operates 5 or 6 flights daily between Tahiti and the Bora Bora airport on Motu Nui, as well as occasional flights to and from other islands. There is no public transport on the island, so rental cars and bicycles are the recommended means of transport. In addition, there are small, two-seater buggies for hire in Vatpe, and motorboats can be rented to explore the lagoon. Vatpe is a village on the west side of the island and is home to a large part of the island's population. The village has also become a popular spot for tourism. Snorkeling and scuba diving in and around Bora Bora's lagoon are popular activities. Many species of sharks and rays inhabit the surrounding waters, and a few dive operators on the island offer mantare dives and shark feeding dives. The species of shark living in the island's lagoon are not considered dangerous to people. In addition to the existing islands of Bora Bora, the artificial island of Motu Marfo was added in the northeastern corner of the lagoon on the St. Regis Resort property. The main attraction of Bora Bora is the lagoon with its still intact underwater world. Using glass-bottom boats, diving, and snorkeling, tourists can explore the reef with thousands of colorful coral fish. In the deep lagoon, tourists can feed barracudas and sharks during guided diving excursions. An attraction for divers is the Stingray Strait, an area of the lagoon where several species of stingrays are found in large schools, including numerous manta rays and leopard rays. Parts of the interior of the island can be explored on jeep safaris. However, the natural beauty of the island is best explored on foot. Several hikes can be done from Vatpe, but it is advisable to rely on a guide to keep one's bearings. The hike to the top of Mount Pahia, from where, according to legend, the war god Oru descended on a rainbow, leads through orchards, forests, orchid fields and fern-covered crevices. One can also climb Mount Otemanu, which offers a beautiful panoramic view of the atoll. Below the summit is a large grotto where numerous frigate birds nest. Another attraction is the remains of what were more than 40 Mare ceremonial platforms. The best preserved are Mare Fair Opu in Fanui Bay and Mare Ehota or Temerutia at the eastern end of Barrow Bay. The stone platform of the complex was originally 42 meters 138 feet long and was restored in 1968 by Japanese archaeologist Yoshihiko Shinoto. Two stone box tombs of the royal family were found in the area of the complex. Most beaches and also the numerous hotels are located in the two large bays between Point Pau Pau and Point Matira in the southwest of the island. About 5 kilometers south of Vatpe, directly on the main road, is Bloody Marius, a bar and restaurant frequented by many guests with its own yacht jetty. The two wooden plaques at the entrance list 230 names, including Marlon Brando, Jane Fonda and Diana Ross. In the relatively densely populated and intensively used lowland regions for a Polynesian atoll, hardly any remnants of the original vegetation remain. In contrast, the flora of the high, steep mountains, which are difficult to access, remains largely untouched. The back beach areas are fringed with low-lying, heavily vegetated Cordia subcordata and Hibiscus tiliaceus. A cultivated form with a straight trunk and a rounded crown, Hibiscus tiliaceus var. Sterilis is often planted as roadside vegetation. Up to the foot of the steep mountainous region, there is mainly cultivated land, with plantations of coconut palms, breadfruit trees, Tahitiya chestnuts Inocarpus, cassava manihot, and tropical fruits, as well as orchid plantations for the decoration of tourist hotels. Abandoned areas have been conquered by overgrown guavas and the fern Dicranopterus linearis. The crevices and ridges of the island's mountains are covered with largely undisturbed remnants of the island's original vegetation. These include groves of metrosider trees, stands of Vixtroemia coriacea, a species of the Daphne family endemic to Polynesia, and a few species of Glochidium. The humid and shady crevices are densely populated with ferns. Historically, Bora Bora's virgin forest habitats on the slopes of Mount Otemanu had a very diverse assortment of snail and slug species gastropods compared to other islands. Several species of endemic or native species existed in great numbers until relatively recently. However, after Lissacatina, Euglandina, and various flatworms were introduced to the island, they wiped out the populations of the endemic partulid species Partula lutea the late 1990s. Samona attenuata, a species once native to Bora Bora but later not found in surveys of the island, and Mothodontha borabrensis, a critically endangered species as of 1996 but most likely extinct, as it was last seen in the 1880s. The above listed native and endemic species were mostly restricted to the virgin forests, and the only species that remain common, perhaps even extinct, are several sublinids and tornitellinids among others, including Orobofana pacifica, a helicinid. Many species of sharks and rays inhabit the strip of water surrounding the island. There are dive operators that offer dives to observe the fish and watch the sharks feed. In 2012, the population was 9,858, which increased to 10,605 according to 2017 estimates. Christianity has been the dominant religion since the arrival of Christian missionaries in the 19th century, when it replaced the old traditional beliefs that Europeans considered idolatry. Vatpe was founded by British missionary John Muggeridge Ormond 1788-1856 of the London Missionary Society. He came to Bora Bora from Tahiti in 1824 and built a church, a wharf, roads and houses, and a missionary school made of coral rock. This settlement, called Beulah, became what is now Vatpe. With the establishment of the French Protectorate, the presence of the Catholic Church was reinforced. Today, it administers a church island's capital Vatpe, called Saint Pierre Celestin Church, French, Église de Saint Pierre Celestin. It depends on the Metropolitan Archdiocese of Papeete with its seat in Tahiti. Numerous pre-Christian relics from the native Polynesians of Bora Bora are still preserved today. Remains of 13 ceremonial platforms mare, there used to be more than 40, and many petroglyphs, which, however, are mostly hidden in inaccessible bushes. The best preserved ceremonial site is the Mare Fair Opu in Fanui Bay, located directly on the beach. Today, a road runs through the area, so the overview of the site, which is quite large, has been lost. The site consisted of a rectangular, level area bounded by boulders and a stone platform. The rectangular platform is bounded by limestone slabs over 1 meter high and filled with earth. Two of the slabs on the north side have stone carvings with turtle motifs. French, as in the rest of France, is the sole official language of Bora Bora. It and Tahitia are the main languages spoken by its inhabitants in a common way. In addition, those in contact with tourists generally have some basic knowledge of English. Tahitia, being a less common language, is not supported by Google Translate or any online translator. Most visitors to Bora Bora are American, Australian, Japanese, or European. The atoll has been part of France since the 19th century. Its island capital is Vatpe. The Tupai Atoll, nearby and uninhabited, is an administrative dependency of Bora Bora. The municipality Bora Bora consists of the island of Bora Bora and the Tupai Atoll. The mayor of Bora Bora has been Gaston Tong Sang since 9 July 1989.